Good afternoon, students. How are you? Yeah, I'm here with bells on. I'm here with bells on. What do you mean by with bells on? Bells on means I'm here. I was eager to come here. If you go somewhere with bells on, you are delighted or you are eager to go. So why I was eager to come here. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा eager थी, ललायत थी, उत्साहित थी to come here. So I'm here with bells on and I'm here to teach you. So students, today we will do article writing. So yeah, very good afternoon dear students, very good afternoon. Yes, your comments are here. Good afternoon all of you. Good. So this is a chapter 8 article writing. So let's start. We have some rules of article writing. Firstly, what's the goals of article writing? Why we would do article writing? It is the very important part of your writing skill and you have to cover this within 200 to 250 words and it's an optional one. Okay. So firstly we will do what's the goal. Learners will be able to understand the importance of article writing in civic engagement, express their ideas with clarity, compose articles using appropriate style, structure and voice. Learning. Differentiate between the various types of article. Identify the target audience and the purpose of writing. Firstly, you have to identify. आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है टारगेट ऑडियंस कौन सी है, फॉर whom we are writing, to whom we are writing article, and purpose of writing. Different purpose we have for writing. So what is the purpose? Because when you know the purpose of your writing, then you can frame your article according to that. Identify the main issue. Same. Locate, organize and integrate relevant data from various sources. Yes, locate, organize and integrate. हम सब collect करेंगे. After that we just integrate relevant data from various sources, different sources से primary source, secondary source. हम उस data को collect करेंगे and then we just write in our skill. Systematically organize their ideas and write coherently. ऐसे नहीं कि कोई भी idea आ गया लिख दिया, फिर आ गया लिख दिया. We just write in a systematic manner. एक proper sequence है, एक proper तरीका है, एक उसका method है उसे लिखने का. Write article using correct format and style. Provide suitable titles to attract the attention of the readers. Use anecdotes, quotation and examples to make their writing some more interesting. Anecdotes. What do you mean by anecdotes? Anecdote is when I am writing something, I am making it more interesting. I am writing little bit story, I am writing any incident, any personal experience, that is called anecdotes. So you can add that. And quotation, for making it more enhancing, इसे और ज़्यादा enhance करने के लिए, impressive बनाने के लिए, we can write the quotation. It is said dash 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 according to this dash dash, our prime minister says this, our finance minister said that, and examples of course. So we have the introduction. An article is a piece of writing mainly intended to be published in newspaper, magazine or journal. What is article writing? A piece of writing. It is a piece of writing mainly intended to be published in newspaper, magazine or journal. Where either it would be in newspaper, magazine or in journal, and has a wide audience. has a wide audience. It is not having a huge small audience, it's a wide audience, because of course if everything would be published in newspaper, कुछ newspaper में publish हो रहा है तो इसे बहुत सारे लोग पढ़ेंगे. Magazine of course and journal, the especially different types of journals are available here, like you people have your CA journal differentially, so कुछ उससे related article होगा, so all the CA will read that. Article writing is the process of creating a non-fiction text about topics. बहुत ज़्यादा imagination नहीं है, non-fiction है, fiction नहीं है. The topics can vary from very serious to the ordinary. They can discuss areas such as current issues or topics of general interest. कुछ भी issue हो सकता है, current issue like nowadays COVID-19 going on. It's a current issue. It's a burning issue. Drugs matter in Bollywood, how drugs enter in Bollywood, in Mumbai. These are the burning issues, these are the current issues. So we have a lot of data, a lot of people views, so we can write article on this topic. So general interests such as health, politics, entertainment, environmental concern, etc. A lot of issues, any issue can be that is in our surrounding. It can be health, politics, entertainment, environment. Since it is written for a wide audience, it is essential that the language used is interesting yet simple. हमारी language बहुत interesting हो. If we have interesting language, तभी कोई सामने से पढ़ेगा. Okay. डॉट्स और कोटेशन वाला पॉइंट रिपीट कर दो. ओके ओके सार्थक, आई विल रिपीट, आई विल डेफिनेटली रिपीट, गिव मी 1 minute, इट विल कम अगेन. वेयर वी वर, या इंटरेस्टिंग, सिंपल, बहुत सिंपल सी लैंग्वेज होनी चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि वी आर यूजिंग टू मच एडियोमेटिक लैंग्वेज. इंक्लूड स्टोरीज, जो स्टोरीज है इंक्लूड स्टोरीज, दैट इज़ ओनली एनेक्डोट्स. एनेक्डोट्स होता है हम जब अपनी राइटिंग स्किल को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए, व्हेन वी आर गिविंग some examples or we are just telling some stories or any type of incident, we are adding that is called anecdotes. And facts to keep the readers engaged. The language used in an article can be normal or informal depending on the target audience, but it must be less formal than a report. देखिए report जो है we will do that in the coming days. So report, it is totally formal, बहुत ज़्यादा formal है, but article is formal but not too much formal. ठीक है, तो we can write something like in interesting manner. What can an article do? Unlike a report, an article can do much more than simply report an event or start facts. It can offer suggestion and advice. Suggestion and advice, like write an article how to prevent ourselves from this COVID-19. तो आप उसमें सजेशन देंगे, आप उसमें एडवाइस देंगे कि हम ऐसे बच सकते हैं. वी शुड वेयर मास्क, ओके, वी शुड नॉट डू हैंडशेक. If you have contact with any person who is affected from this coronavirus, so which type of medicine are just suggested by doctors, or you should get for your sampling tests. So all of the things, these are the suggestion and advice. Okay. And it can provide information on various topic subject. कोई भी टॉपिक हो सकता है, आपके इकोनॉमिक्स से रिलेटेड, अकाउंटेंसी से रिलेटेड, एनी टाइप ऑफ टॉपिक जिसमें आप उसके इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं. इट कैन ब्रिंग अबाउट अ comparison. How do you compare BJP government and earlier Congress government? So it's a comparison between two governments. Okay, it can be the comparison offline teaching or online teaching, which is better according to you, online teaching or offline teaching. Means it can be comparison of anything. Okay, business and job comparison, joint family and nuclear family comparison. So it can be general topic or topic can be related to your field also. It can describe a location, person, object, technology. It can simply amuse and bring a smile on the reader face. It can enable reader to think, hence it can influence. It can offer opinion, argument, counter argument. देखिए argument, counter argument means arguments होता है फिर counter arguments. So it can be in a debate form also. Anyhow, because when we do comparison of two governments, so argument would be there, उसके फेवर में, उसके डिसफेवर में, उसके फेवर, उसके डिसफेवर, so like that. Okay students, why we are just going through this article? Because if we don't know what is article writing, है ना, तो it will come in our mind, okay एक पैराग्राफ है, एक ऐसे है, बस हमें लिखना है. No, when we come to know what's the rules and regulation of this, कि मुझे क्या लिखना है, मुझे क्या नहीं लिखना है, so it is very easy for just writing on that topic. So that's why we are going ahead on this theory. In your exam you are not to write, ऐसे नहीं आएगा कि format क्या है, you will get one topic only. But before going to that, so these 10 minutes it is necessary to spend on this thing. Format of an article. An article is usually considered part of informal writing. There are no rules of technique. No rules. देखिए कोई rule नहीं है. We don't have any particular rule because everybody has different type of writing skill to abide by while writing article. Yet an organized structure is preferred, hence a basic outline of the format needs to be studied. Heading title, heading title, it should be necessary. So firstly heading or title, what is, so we have to write heading. Eye catching, illustrating the central theme. Eye catching मतलब eye catching it means alluring, it means attracting. वो जो heading है थोड़ी सी eye catching होनी चाहिए ताकि वो attract करे कि अच्छा इसके बारे में है. Okay, by line, writer's name to be mentioned under the title towards the right. Okay, second would be writer's name. Writer's name. Mostly you will get, and it's a right side. हाँ इस चीज़ का हम ध्यान रखेंगे. Suppose this is an article writing and we just write this. This is a right side. Okay, right side we have to write the writer name. You will get a mark of this. Okay, if it is mentioned, if it is given in the question paper, you can write that. Otherwise you can write by XYZ, by ABC. Okay, no need to mention particular your name, yeah, like by Shikha Arora. No, at the time of exam we can't mention this. Introduction, establish the context, draw the reader's attention using anecdotes, startling facts, statistics, rhetorical question or quotation. Okay, so these are the starting introduction. हमें first पहला introduction का लिखना है. And what is introduction? जो topic है सिर्फ उसे introduce करवाना है. What is that? If it's the meaning, you can write meaning in an introduction session. Okay, and if it has any definition, so you can write the definition. If it's a burning issue, so you can explain that only. What is that COVID-19? What is that demonetization? What is that online payment? क्या है? Plastic cards, credit card, debit card क्या है? Just you have to tell the meaning of that. Meaning ही बताना है आपको. Meaning, definition, only that in the starting paragraph. Okay, yeah, article writing we will write in a paragraphs. हमें paragraphs में लिखना है. So first paragraph just nothing, the topic, the heading you have to explain. That is only first paragraph. Body, 2-3 paragraphs dealing the various aspects of the topic: merits, demerits, causes, consequences, effects, advantages, disadvantages. देखिए, okay. Fourth one, it can be either 2 paragraphs or either 3 paragraphs, है ना. तो what is that? Suppose हमने कोई topic introduce करवाया यहाँ पर and the topic was of COVID-19, okay, या फिर topic was of online payment. चलिए online payment का topic है. You have told that what is online payment? आपने यहाँ बता दिया ऑनलाइन पेमेंट होता क्या है. ओके, सो यू विल स्टार्ट हियर द मैरिट्स. ओके, मैरिट्स आप लिख सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट advantages, benefits, like that. A lot of advantages are there of online payment. There are many benefits of online payment. We have some merits anyhow, and after that you just explain in a paragraph merits. Okay, so we have done first one. The second one, now demerits. हमारा एक paragraph बन गया, and after that we just write down demerits, disadvantages or drawbacks, है ना, drawbacks. Okay, and we can write like this also, like every coin has two sides. So this topic, this aspect, this topic also has two aspects. One is merit, one is demerits. Okay, pros and cons. Yeah, we can add this also, है ना, pros and cons. Pros and cons, benefit and drawbacks, withdrawals. So here we can write the drawbacks of that, drawbacks of all these things. So देखिए 2 paragraphs तो हमारे ऐसे ही बन गए, है ना, all that. Okay, otherwise और क्या हो सकता है, यहाँ पर causes हो सकते हैं, causes, effects हो सकता है. चलिए ठीक है, suppose we have this type of topic, causes, effects. Okay, causes of cancer disease. Okay, so we can just write the causes of cancer disease. This disease is a dangerous disease, so here we have some causes of this disease, that is because of this, because of that. Not only this, but also we can use some conjunctions also. We can use conjunction moreover, furthermore. आप जब दो बातों को जोड़ते हैं, may I rub this? Yeah, when we join two type of sentences, है ना, तो we have this furthermore. It's a conjunction. Furthermore, इसके साथ साथ ये भी moreover, moreover, है ना, not only but also, ना केवल ये बल्कि ये भी. So these type of conjunctions are very helpful for writing skill. Okay, like either or, neither nor, in spite of this. So a lot of we have, I just tell you. Okay, so in this way either 2 or 3 paragraphs we would cover, that is called body, है ना, it is called body. Okay, so heading, writer's name, right side, it should be right side, ध्यान रखिएगा, confuse नहीं होना है, it should be right side. After that, introduction, you have to explain the topic, the title, definition, meaning, whatever. After that we have either 2 or 3 paragraphs of the body of that. Is it clear? Yes, very good. After that we have conclusion. A formal and logical end to the above writing comment, a summary of all that has been included in the article. One may conclude with a final opinion, recommendation or a comment expressing a hope, a warning, an appeal or a call for action. This is also very important one. So number 5 we have here conclusion. Yes. So we have here conclusion pattern. How to do this? So there are a lot of ways we can write the conclusion, and that is a final opinion. Okay. So देखिए आप कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, like बड़ा common है last but not least. Okay, in nutshell, hammering on the final nail, ओके, लास्ट बट नॉट लिस्ट, लास्ट है पर ये अंतिम नहीं है. Just whatever the conclusion, in nutshell is also conclusion. Hammering on the final nail, आखिरी कील जो गाड़ी जा रही है. So all that is conclusion in the last. Okay, in the last. So anyhow we have the conclusion. So we have converted this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, either 5 or 6 paragraphs. It's enough. And when we are writing one paragraph we have just written, so please don't start from here to show that it's a next paragraph. No, you have to leave one line, then you start. This sequence should be same. Okay, then we just leave one line, then this is. So this is the view of writing. You are not to write like that. We have written here, after that here, after that here. This is a wrong pattern. Nowadays it's not recommended. We have just written first paragraph. After that we are leaving one line. Then the from same place start from. This symmetry should be same. I hope it's clear. So this was the format of article writing. Points to remember. फटाफट से करेंगे. द टॉपिक शुड बी यूनिक एंड ऑफ रेलिवेंस. नो द टारगेट ऑडियंस. आइडेंटिफाई द एम ऑफ राइटिंग द आर्टिकल टू एडवाइज, इन्फॉर्म, एंटरटेन, कंपेयर, डिस्क्राइब. The title should be short and eye-catching. We have done all this, we are just glancing. Begin with the striking opening sentence which gets the reader interested in the topic. The writer must have enough to say. Choose your ideas beforehand. बहुत सारी बातें होनी चाहिए हमारे पास कहने के लिए. Be true to what you write. Make assertion and go by them throughout the article. बहुत सारी बातें क्यों होनी चाहिए? Because we are just going ahead 200 to 250 words. 200 to 250 words. So it means we have to write too much. आपको बहुत सारा लिखना है, तो you must have a lot of ideas. Okay, keep the article brief. Unnecessary repetition and irrelevant information makes it boring. Keep the article brief, not short, brief. मतलब जो जरूरी बातें हैं वही लिखिए, अननेसेसरी नहीं, और रिपीटेशन नहीं करनी है. सपोज सेम थिंग आई हैव सेड इन इंट्रोडक्शन, उसी को मैं मेरिट में कह रही हूँ, उसी को मैं डी मेरिट में कह रही हूँ. नो, वी आर नॉट टू डू लाइक दिस. ओके, ब्रेक द आर्टिकल इनटू पैराग्राफ. I have told you that article into paragraph should be. Pay attention to the choice of voice and tenses. Choice of voice and tenses. देखिए voice we have done, so that's very beneficial in writing skill. Even 70 to 80% it should be in a passive form, and tense of course conclude logically. Logically conclusion होना चाहिए. Steps in article writing. चलिए we just do the steps. Okay. Like report, article 2 need to be well written to hold the reader's attention. The stages of article writing are discussed below. Identify the target audience. Step 1. Identify the target audience. Identify the target audience. Before you begin writing, it is important to consider who the intended readers are. Are there specific groups such as students or businessmen or adults in general? Of course, the age group for whom we are writing, that should be. Identify the purpose of writing. Here we have step 2. अच्छा मैंने टी तो डाला ही नहीं. या आइडेंटिफाई. ओके, आइडेंटिफाई द पर्पस ऑफ राइटिंग. Identify the purpose of writing. Identify the aim of the article. If your aim to advise, suggest, inform, compare, contrast, describe, etc. Step 1 or step 2 are the deciding factors in the layout of your article, its style, language level. Of course, किस टाइप का आपका आर्टिकल है, and that will decide formal है, it is informal, how you are writing, all that things. Okay. If the topic for the article is careers in commerce, then the target audience will be the students of commerce. The article would be an informative one detailing the various careers that a commerce students can choose from college, universities, eligibility and selection process. The tone must be formal and the language easy and straightforward. If the article is meant for doctors, then technical jargon related to jargon means those type of vocabulary related to the field of medicine can be used. So, step 3, collect and select information. Step 3, collect and select information. Yes, collect and select information. जैसे ही कोई आर्टिकल आता है हमारे सामने, so we just collect, we start thinking about that article, that contents, क्या है वो आर्टिकल, उसके बारे में क्या information होंगी, we just start collecting the information. The third step is to collect information that is available on the selected topic. You may use various sources such as books, interviews, etc. Read through them and select relevant information. It is important to ensure that the information you have collected is authentic and reliable. Authentic and reliable ऐसे नहीं कि कुछ भी you have just read out somewhere in your WhatsApp group, on your Facebook or by social media and we are just going to write that. No, it should be authentic, it should be reliable, विश्वसनीय होना चाहिए, कुछ ऑथेंटिक होना चाहिए, लॉजिकली होना चाहिए, प्रूवेबल होना चाहिए, ऐसे ही कुछ भी आपको नहीं लिखना है. ऑर्गेनाइज द इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्वेंशली एंड लॉजिकली. ऑर्गेनाइज द इंफॉर्मेशन systematically and logically. Yeah. Is it? हाँ, sequentially, systematically एक ही बात है. Once the information has been gathered and selected, you must organize it so that it follows a logical order. You can make use of mind maps and flow charts to organize the content. This is a very good way to organize all the data and information in a systematic manner while using mind mapping. अभी देखिए careers in commerce, तो एकदम से various courses क्या है, आप chartered accountant बन सक, accountancy you can do CS, company secretary है ना, post graduation कहाँ से कर सकते हैं, फ्रॉम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ऑफ इंडिया, एलिजिबिलिटी. सो ऑल दिस माइंड मैपिंग्स आर very useful whether you are facing any type of writing skill exam, then you can use this mind mapping. Not even in writing skill, even in speaking test also, when any student face IELTS test, the international English language eligibility test, so then also you have a cue card. आपको cue card मिलते हैं. You have only 1 minute to think about the topic. You will get one topic and you have only 1 minute. So हम 1 minute में क्या सोचेंगे और क्या लिखेंगे. Whatever we are thinking, we are just doing a mind mapping. हमारे पास 2-3 points हो गए हैं and at least 2 minutes we have to speak on the topic. So if mind mapping in front of us, we can speak very easily as well as we can write very easily. अच्छा, तो वी हैव वन टॉपिक आल्सो हेयर. ओके, मे आई, या टॉपिक है हमारे पास डीमोनेटाइजेशन. ओके, डीमोनेटाइजेशन बड़ा बर्निंग सा इशू रहा है, डीमोनेटाइजेशन. तो एक माइंड मैपिंग यहाँ पर बना रखा है. व्हाट इज डिमोनेटाइजेशन? देखिए सबसे पहले आई टोल्ड यू वी हैव टू राइट द इंट्रोडक्शन, मीनिंग क्या है उसकी अगर कोई डेफिनेशन है तो अ करेंसी यूनिट इज स्ट्रिप्ड ऑफ इट्स स्टेटस एज लीगल टेंडर, all the unit of currency is replaced with the new currency unit. This is demonetization. पुरानी करेंसी को नई करेंसी में बदला जाता है, इस प्रोसेस को इसे हम डिमोनेटाइजेशन कहते हैं. ओके सो उसके बाद क्या है, रीज़न ऑफ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. क्या रीज़न रहे हमें क्यों ये करना पड़ा? इन्फ्लेशन, करप्शन, ओके, प्रिवेलेंस ऑफ अ कैश सिस्टम, प्रिवेलेंस ऑफ ब्लैक मनी, ये कारण थे. ब्लैक मनी थी, कैश की समस्या थी, करप्शन था, इन्फ्लेशन था, दैट इज़ ओके. आफ्टर दैट देखिए वी हैव द एडवांटेजेस, द सेम थिंग आई टोल्ड यू दैट. सी आई वी जस्ट एक्सप्लेन दिस. देखिए demonetization. So first point we have introduction. Okay, introduction. After that we have the reasons of demonetization. हमें demonetization क्यों करना पड़ा था? We have the reasons. After that we have advantages of demonetization. merits of demonetization क्या है? देखिए, help government fight fraudulent activity. जो फ्रॉड हो रही है, गलत हैं, ऐसे ही नोट छप जाते थे या जो भी दैट इज़ अ फ्रॉड हो रहा है उसे रोकने के लिए. कैश सिस्टम में फ्रॉड ज़्यादा. डिफ़िकल्ट टू हाइड ब्लैक मनी, मुश्किल हो गया ब्लैक मनी को छुपाना. गवर्नमेंट एबल टू ट्रैक ट्रांजैक्शन को ट्रैक किया. स्टॉप एंड रिड्यूस टेररिस्ट फंडिंग को रोकने के लिए की गई थी. एडवांटेजेस थे. अभी हम 2-3-4 साल बाद थोड़ा सा डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि नो इट इज़ नॉट टू मच सक्सेसफुल या जो भी. ओके, हेल्प अट्रैक्ट डोमेस्टिक इन्वेस्टर्स, क्रिएटेड फियर इन द माइंड्स ऑफ पीपल अबाउट टैक्स थेफ्ट. टैक्स की चोरी है ना, तो लोगों के माइंड में ये फियर भी रहा कि टैक्स की चोरी. तो ये सारे एडवांटेजेस हैं. वी कैन राइट दीज एडवांटेजेस. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन, प्रॉब्लम कॉज्ड बाय डिमोनेटाइजेशन. अभी हम यहाँ पर आप एडवांटेजेस लिखिए, आप यहाँ पर डिसएडवांटेजेस हम लिख सकते हैं. ओके, और वी जस्ट कैन राइट प्रॉब्लम्स, है ना, प्रॉब्लम्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डिमोनेटाइजेशन. अ लार्ज सेक्शन ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन डजेंट हैव बैंक अकाउंट्स और यूज़ प्लास्टिक मनी. ये ब्लैक मनी के लिए यूज़ किया गया था टू स्टॉप दैट. बट इंडिया इज़ अ डेवलपिंग कंट्री, है ना. अ लॉट ऑफ पुअर पीपल आर लिव हेयर, सो दे डिडंट हैव बैंक अकाउंट्स. बैंकों में अकाउंट्स ही नहीं थे, प्लास्टिक मनी यूज़ नहीं करते थे. ट्रेडर्स, टैक्सी ऑपरेटर्स एंड द टूरिज्म सेक्टर हैव बीन हिट हार्ड. इस सेक्टर को बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान. पीपल आर गोइंग थ्रू हरोइंग टाइम एंड लॉन्ग क्यूज. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर द डिमोनेटाइजेशन या 8th of November it was declared, earlier it was declared at the midnight and we have to follow. So it was a long queue in front of bank gates and ATMs. So harrowing, एक हॉरिबल सा एटमॉस्फेयर हो गया था और बहुत लंबी लंबी लाइनों में लगना पड़ा था. अ लिमिट हैज़ बिन इम्पोज ऑन विड्रॉल्स फ्रॉम बैंक्स. एक लिमिट हो गई थी कि आप इससे ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं निकलवा सकते. फार्मर्स, मैनुअल लेबरर्स एंड डेली वेज वर्कर्स आर अनएम्प्लॉयड. The people in rural areas and the farmers are also facing a great deal of hardship. A drop in the money in circulation will cause deflation. Okay, so बहुत सारे advantages disadvantages हो सकते हैं. इसके अलावा भी in spite of this, I told you ना, in spite of this we have disadvantages that is. So we can write this, and after that finally we have the solutions, है ना. So solutions, सुझाव दे रहे हैं हम. Every citizen to have an account, हर citizen का account होना चाहिए. Use plastic money, net banking etc. separate lines for folks wishing to exchange money versus through seeking to take out money from their accounts. ये solution है and we can write even conclusion also. So in this way we have to frame these either 5 or 6 paragraphs. Okay, so write the article. Once you have determined the information you are going to use, organized article लिखना है आपको. Don't talk about yourself. You are writing for the general topic, not a close circle of friends. Your opinion are only interesting to other people. If you can make them amusing, justify them and explain them. ये वो नहीं आएगा my best friend, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, my favorite teacher नहीं. आपको अपने बारे में opinion नहीं लिखने, general thing we are just writing. Is it clear? I think it's clear for you. So we have some examples. चलिए, first one is sample articles we have given by the Just Institute. The color green corporate conscience or fashion statement. Yes, upon that the color green corporate conscience or fashion statement. Color green, हरा रंग. तो क्या है यहाँ पर, what do you mean by color green? Color green as nowadays, even after this COVID-19 disease, everybody is running behind color green. हम हर जगह हर्बल ढूंढ रहे हैं. We are taking green tea everywhere, even for domestic uses of the things also, for bathing, for eating, for drinking. We are just using color green. हर्बल है, ये हर्बल है, ये चाय हर्बल है, ये साबुन हर्बल है. This paste is herbal, this shampoo is herbal. You can take this, you will not suffer from this disease. So all that things. So what is that? The question arises, what is that? In the really manner conscience, or it's only symbol, it's only rat race, it's only fashion, या फिर एक ये बहुत बड़ा इंडस्ट्री, बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस का कोई गेम है. सो दैट इज़, यू हैव गॉट द आर्टिकल. अभी देखिए, हॉटवायर हैज़ कंडक्टेड अ मेजर ऑडिट लुकिंग एट द ग्रीनिंग ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशन एंड इट्स पोटेंशियल इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन कंज्यूमर परचेजिंग हैबिट्स अक्रॉस यूरोप. दे रिसर्च 5 सेक्टर्स: रिटेल, बैंकिंग, फाइनेंस, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, ऑटोमोटिव, utilities and technology, telecom in 5 countries. Yes students, please read out this. पढ़िए आप इसे. In the starting you have to give introduction and after that all these things you can read out. Color green corporate conscience or fashion statement. So we have a lot of data also there. If you know the data you can write. If you don't know then how will you write? Okay, so sometimes if topic is too much familiar for you, आपको बहुत अच्छे से वो टॉपिक आता है, तभी हम वो अटैम्प्ट करेंगे. सपोज इट्स अ वेरी जनरल टॉपिक, डिमोनेटाइजेशन आ रहा है या ऑनलाइन पेमेंट आ रहा है या टॉपिक दैट इज़ ऑफ योर इंटरेस्ट, यू थिंक दैट या आई कैन राइट वेरी इजीली 200 to 250 वर्ड्स, तभी आप इसे अटैम्प्ट करेंगे. अदरवाइज यू जस्ट सी विच टॉपिक यू हैव इन योर ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट इज़ द हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ टैटूज. देखिए कितना इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है. वी कैन राइट टू मच ऑन दिस टॉपिक. द हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ टैटूज, राइट साइड बाय पॉल सिल्वर. Tattoos have been around for thousands of years, but they have always had their health problems. ओके, हमें टैटूज की जो हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स है उसे डिस्कस करना है. द मेन पोटेंशियल प्रॉब्लम विद गेटिंग अ टैटू इज इन्फेक्शन. इन्फेक्शन जो है, द टैटूज प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व पुशिंग पिगमेंट फार पिगमेंट, जिससे पिगमेंट जो प्रोसेस है वो कलर्स अंदर डाले जाते हैं, फार डाउन इनटू द डीमेरिट्स ऑफ द स्किन विद द नीडल. एक नीडल होती है, a lot of people you may also have just applied this tattoos. So एक नीडल है, उससे पिगमेंट किया जा रहा है. With modern stainless steel and sterilization machines, this is much easier to keep clean and problem free than the original tattooing method of rubbing ash into wounds, but problem can still occur if a tattooing needle is not completely and totally clean. When it pierces your skin, it can deposit germs deep. सबसे पहले तो देखिए germs जो हैं वो डिलीवर हो जाते हैं. दिस इज़ द मेन कॉज of going to spread a lot of disease. Same needle that is going to insert in one person, after that it is not clean, उसी से दूसरे का tattoo बन रहा है. A major problem with infection from unclean tattooing is it can infect the recipient with hepatitis B. In turn, hepatitis can cause inflammation of the liver. इसमें disease बताई गई हैं और क्या क्या disease हो सकती हैं. Initial symptoms of a hepatitis infection can last up to 2 weeks and include a raised temperature, headache. उसके बाद उस disease के लक्षण बताए हैं इन्होंने, क्या क्या causes हैं. By this point, the pain and the other symptoms should have taken you to the doctors. They will need to carry out blood tests to confirm which strain of hepatitis you have contracted. There are 5 types. This is if you have developed a bad infection, you may need hospital care to recover. उसके बाद क्या होगा? You have to go to doctors and all that process going on. Up to 95% of adults with the hepatitis B infection will recover fully, but the rest may develop lifelong chronic hepatitis. देखिए 95% तो रिकवर कर जाते हैं, बट बहुत सारे इससे इन्फेक्टेड भी हो जाते हैं. इन्फेक्शन कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड बाय गुड लिविंग कंडीशन एंड हेपेटाइटिस बी कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड विद द वैक्सीनेशन विच मैनी टैटूज विल हैव अ preventive measure. When you receive a tattoo, be confident that the tattoo's equipment is properly sterilized. जब भी आप टैटूज यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो स्टेरिलाइज होना चाहिए. दैट दे हैव बीन चेक्ड आउट बाय लोकल हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट, दैट यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट दैट दे आर क्लीन. सो ऑल दैट थिंग्स you have to write. Article 3, genius has gender only in our mind. Genius has gender, कितना अच्छा देखिए दे है. इट इज़ अ टॉपिक ऑफ genius has gender. Genius has gender. क्या genius का gender होता है? Is it? Who is genius? Who is genius? Okay, you are saying I am genius, so you are definitely you are genius. देखिए genius has gender. जब जैसे ही महान लोगों की बातें होती है ना, if we talk about who participated for to making India country free in freedom, so we have some genius person name. So firstly male people come in our mind, male लोगों का आता है. तो that is the article of that is when Cambridge University advised its examiner to avoid words like genius and brilliant because they exclude women. Many of us rolled our eyes and dismissed it as political correctness gone wild. But close your eyes. What's the first image that comes to your mind when you hear the word genius? है ना? Okay. Here, patriarchal society can be defined and highlighted in this topic. Yes, yes, of course, बिल्कुल. करेक्ट. इज़ इट एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन, स्टीफन हॉकिंग और ये सब नेम हैं जो हमारे सामने आते हैं. अभी हम भी देखें है ना, तो छत्रपति शिवाजी, महात्मा गांधी, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, भगत सिंह, राजगुरु, ऑलवेज दिस टाइप ऑफ नेम कम इन आवर माइंड. These associations affect a perception of others, which in turn affects their self-image and choices. Gender gap in the science, for instance, can be partly explained by the notion that these areas call for genius. All that कि जब कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी ने एडवाइस दी थी कि इन वर्ड्स को अवॉइड करो, तो मैनी ऑफ अस रोल्ड अप राइज, हम सब इसके अगेंस्ट थे. बट अभी भी आप खुद पे प्रैक्टिकली अगर इम्प्लीमेंट करें तो हमारे माइंड में जीनियस को लेते ही किस तरह से आ रहा है. likely to think of only boys as brilliant, which when professors are rated, it's men who are described as stars and visionaries, and the same qualities are overlooked or disparaged in women. Think of the routine put down hysterical, which literally means a disorder caused by the womb. Womb गर्भ में ही जब कोई प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. So this is the summary. Okay, ठीक है. Read the following article and provide a suitable title. चलिए स्टूडेंट्स आर्टिकल 1 को रीड कीजिए and think suitable title. शाबाश. Hurry up quickly, we have 10 minutes. Read out the first one, that is, देखिए या always you just get the title mostly in the first paragraph. Heading, title, आपको सारा concept first paragraph में मिल जाएगा. Stokes related to the consumption theme have taken a severe beating. ever since the Prime Minister announced the demonetization of rupees 500. Okay, 8th November, the Nifty India consumption index has shrunk. Some stocks have slipped up to 21%. Chaliye, hurry up. Give me the article of title of first article, second article. Both of two article. Give. Quickly read. Yeah. Srishti, effects on regulated market. Okay. Good. First one this is, yeah. Good, good. All the students please give me reply. Priyanka, demonetization effects on market. ठीक है. Yes. Very good. Impact of demonetization on Indian society. On Indian society, okay. Stock market also we can use on Indian, yeah. Stock market, yes, stock market है ना, effect of demonetization on stock market. It is more appropriate. It is more appropriate. Effects on stock exchange market. Okay, but institute has given the topic consumption stocks offer good buying opportunity post demonetization. Chaliye, we go ahead on second article now. Real estate brokers in Karnataka hit by slowdown and demonetization fear that the new draft State Real Estate Regulator Act (RERA) will make their business unviable, with some even apprehending. क्या है ये वेवा? You know, act. Why this act was maken? Why this act was maken? This act was maken. देखिए, suppose here project A is going on, here project B is going on. दो तरह के प्रोजेक्ट चल रहे हैं और वन पर्सन इज गोइंग थ्रू दिस प्रोजेक्ट. एक ही पर्सन है जो दोनों प्रोजेक्ट चला रहा है. ओके, आई एम एक्स, यू आर वाई. मैं एक्स हूँ, आप वाई हो. हम दोनों ने यहाँ पर एक फ्लैट लेना है इस एरिया में. तो एक्स ने भी इसे पेमेंट कर दी, वाई ने भी इसे पेमेंट कर दी. एंड ही हैज़ टेकन अ लॉट सम अमाउंट्स ऑफ द पेमेंट and he said after this duration you will get your flats. but बहुत टाइम बीतने के बाद भी they went to this person owner of that is same Z. हम Z के पास गए and we said कि भी flats नहीं बन रहे हैं. so he didn't treat us nicely. और क्या रीज़न था? जो मनी यहाँ से इकट्ठा हुआ था वो प्रोजेक्ट बी पर लगा दिया गया है ना. सो बिकॉज टू प्रिवेंट ऑल दिस थिंग्स रेरा एक्ट कम. तो इसके लिए रेरा एक्ट आया था. इम्पैक्ट ऑन रियल एस्टेट ब्रोकर्स पोस्ट डिमोनेटाइजेशन. इम्पैक्ट ऑफ डिमोनेटाइजेशन ऑन रियल एस्टेट ब्रोकर्स. इम्पैक्ट ऑन रियल एस्टेट ब्रोकर्स. ठीक है. मेजर प्रॉब्लम फेस्ड बाय रियल एस्टेट ब्रोकर्स. रियल एस्टेट ब्रोकर्स हिट बाय हाई एजेंसी फीस. ठीक है. राइट आर्टिकल ऑन द फॉलोइंग टॉपिक्स इन अबाउट 500 वर्ड्स. क्या है ये 500 वर्ड्स? देखिए, कार्ड पेमेंट ऑन अ हाई आफ्टर डिमोनेटाइजेशन. जो कार्ड्स पेमेंट है वो हाई हो गई हैं डिमोनेटाइजेशन के बाद. सबसे पहले यू विल टेल सेम व्हाट इज डिमोनेटाइजेशन, कब हुआ था ये. द मूव फोर्स पीपल टू यूज ऑप्शन सच एज इंटरनेट बैंकिंग, मोबाइल बैंकिंग, क्रेडिट डेबिट कार्ड्स, मोबाइल वॉलेट्स. ठीक है. डिजिटल ट्रांजेक्शन हैव ग्रॉन 400 से 1000%. दिस फिगर डजेंट इंक्लूड ट्रांजेक्शन डन. तो ऑल दैट कार्ड पेमेंट के बारे में यू विल टेल. नेक्स्ट, मुंबई नो लॉन्गर इंडियाज इकोनॉमिकल कैपिटल, नाउ दिल्ली इज द कैपिटल. सो यू विल राइट डाउट दैट अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट एन ऑब्स्टेकल इन द कंट्री इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. द वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमी इज फेसिंग टू मेजर चैलेंजेस, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड पॉवर्टी. Financial crisis caused by unemployment leads to an overall purchasing power, resulting in poverty followed by an increasing burden of debt. In India, the problem of underemployment, unemployment, poverty have always been the main hindrances, obstacle to economic growth. So you have to write about unemployment. पूरी employment है, ओके, अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट कुछ काम है कुछ नहीं है. फिशिंग, व्हाट इज फिशिंग? फिशिंग इज अ साइबर क्राइम in which a target or targets are contacted by email, telephone or text message by someone posing as a lawful organization to tempt individual into provide sensitive data such as personally identifiable information, banking and credit card details and password. The information is then used to access important account and can result in identified theft. And ये जो ऑनलाइन आपकी हैकिंग होती है, ऑनलाइन ट्रैकिंग होती है, ऑनलाइन जो क्राइम्स होते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ऑल दिस थिंग, इट्स अ साइबर क्राइम. फिशिंग इज़ अ साइबर क्राइम. तो ऑल दैट थिंग्स इट वुड बी गिवन. डिसेप्शन, फिशिंग, सेंडिंग आउट अ मास ईमेल, आपको ईमेल्स आते हैं. टैब नैबिंग होता है. एंड मालवेयर बेस्ड फिशिंग एम्ड एट स्मॉल एंड मीडियम साइज बिजनेस. की लॉगर, स्क्रीन लॉगर, सर्च इंजन फिशिंग. ना अभी भी देख लीजिए ऑन द सोशल मीडिया, if you are going through nowadays a lot of challenges are going on, couple challenge, all that unnecessary links are there. When you are just clicking on the links, all the datas, all the information, it can go through those hackers may be sending. So how to prevent? Use spam filters. Generally the filter says the origin of the message. सेटिंग होनी चाहिए. पासवर्ड चेंज करते रहिए. बैंकिंग को, फाइनेंशियल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मॉनिटर करिए. लीगल एक्शन कैन बी टेकन अगेंस्ट फेक वेबसाइट्स. अभी तो फ्लड है वेबसाइट्स का, फेक वेबसाइट. सो यू हैव टू जज दैट. यू शुड बी वेरी अवेयर. ऐसे ही नहीं कहीं भी आप अपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन को डाल रहे हैं, लॉगिन कर रहे हैं, लिंक्स क्लिक कर रहे हैं. नो. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन शुड प्रोवाइड सिक्योरिटी अवेयरनेस. चेंज इन ब्राउजिंग हैबिट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रिवेंट फिशिंग. So firstly, when you do article writing, please be clear, the topic should be clear to you. After that, make a mind mapping map quickly और उसके अकॉर्डिंग सिस्टमेटिक मैनर में आप वो लिखते जाइए. राइटर नेम शुड बी राइट साइड एंड राइट इन अ पैराग्राफ एज वी हैव डिसाइडेड. सो आई होप द टॉपिक इज़ वेरी मच क्लियर फॉर यू. सो सी यू टुमारो. बाय बाय. टेक केयर.